Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Realme. First of all, you need to access calendar. Now tap on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Like that one. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. From here you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour and ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the sweater next to all day. You can also add people, select location over here. Click at the chosen one, scroll down, click on add notifications and set up notifications by tapping on one of those options and clicking on done. You can also take notes, and when you're ready, click on save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select delete. Now confirm your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!